Okay, hi. I'm going to teach you how to play the Allegro Op.50 No.13. Okay, we're going to start first with how do we do the right hand. Okay, we're going to try and start by doing a little bit of exercise with the right hand. For the entire song, there is this pattern that is being done using your right hand fingers, using your P finger, I finger, M finger, and your A finger. P, I, M, A. Okay, the pattern that we'll be doing for the most of the time will consist of the thumb, the P finger, playing the bass strings. The 6th, the E, the 5th, the A, the 4th, the D. The index finger will always be playing the 3rd string. The middle finger will be playing the 2nd string. The A finger, the ring finger, will be playing the 1st string. So it's pretty easy. Alright? So again, alright, the I finger will be playing the 3rd string. The M finger will be playing the 2nd string. And the A finger will be playing the 1st string, the E. So this assignment will make it easier. As I said before, only the thumb will be moving around. The stroke that will be used will be the free stroke. Be sure to fold your fingers inward as you do the free stroke. Okay, the pattern you'll be doing is this, okay? I will say out the names of the fingers that we'll be doing. P, I, M, I, A, I, M, I. Got it? So before you start, try doing this first. You'll just start from the 6th string. P, I, M, I, A, I, M, I. Okay, notice that I'm able to do it without actually thinking about what the strings are, because I floated just on top of the strings. So if I think about the I, P finger, I just play this. And when I think about I just move the I. Be sure not to whip your wrist back and forth. Then you lose your bearing, okay, where you are on where the strings are. The strings should be roughly just at the bottom of your fingers should be floating just on top of the strings. So you do the pattern P, I, M, I, A, I, 3rd string, M will be the 2nd string. You got it, Kat? Okay, so the whole song is based on variations of the pattern. The index, middle, and A finger will be playing the same pattern, but the thumb will be going around. Alright? Okay, now we're going to go to the first bar. Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to set up, okay, for the first 2 beats of the first bar, we're going to set up our left hand. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our finger 2. Remember, okay, the names of the fingers on the left hand are 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to put finger 2 on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and finger 1 on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Okay, for this first bar, what we're going to do the pattern, but the thumb, the P finger, is going to be on the 5th string. So remember the pattern, P, I, M, I, A, I, M, I. That's it for the first 2 bars, okay? So without me saying anything, it sounds like that. If I count it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for the last 2 beats, correct? These notes are 16 notes, but you still have that 1 and 2 and 3, and so don't worry, don't be afraid by the 16 notes. You can still count them in 1 and 2, 3 and 4, okay? For example, in this 3 beats, alright? So I'm going to show you how to play this part. So the second half of the first bar. So the pattern would be, you keep your, let's look at the left hand first. So you can let go of the 1st finger. The 2nd finger stays there. Okay? So the strings will be played at the 5th string and the 3rd string, played by the thumb, P, and index, the 3rd string. So what you're going to do is just play. For the next one, the fingering for the left hand is important. You're going to use your 1st finger and put it at the 5th string, 2nd fret. You play the thumb, and then the 3rd finger goes to the 3rd fret, and you return to the 5th string, open A. Very simple, okay? The right hand is just playing with the P, using the P and the I just to play the strings. Remember, okay, to fold your fingers and to lift your thumb as you to play the string. Okay, as it leaves, that's where the sound comes. So it's 2, 3. Got it? So the whole thing sounds like that. Okay, for the next bar, your second finger stays there. Your third finger goes to the second string, third fret, and the first finger goes to the first string, first fret. Remember to keep it curled and make sure the back of your fingers do not touch the other strings. The pattern is the same. The only difference is your thumb, your P finger, will be playing the fourth string. Same pattern as the first bar, alright? You're going to do P, I, M, I, A, I, M, I. And for the second half, same thing, but this time, same as the first half, second half of the first bar. What you're going to do is let go of your fingers, play the fourth string, the P. Now it's the fourth string. Previously you did the fifth string, correct? Now it's the fourth string. Index finger again, you'll be playing the third string. So you go P, I, same thing, okay? But instead of the fifth string, you'll be moving the first finger to the fourth string, second fret. And then the third finger, and then you let go, returning to the first note. So the whole thing would sound like this. Now for the next one, okay, you will move you're going to prepare now for bar 3. Sorry, I have to call it the bar names first. Okay, for bar 3, you're going to put the second finger, finger 2, on the fourth string, second fret, and the first finger on the third string, first fret. Same pattern now, same as the previous bar. You're going to put your thumb on the fourth string, and then you do the pattern P, I, M, I, A, I, M, I. Got it? Okay. And then for the second half of the bar, you're going to be doing it the same way. Thumb, index. Okay. This time on the fourth string, P finger on the fourth string, I finger on the third string. But this time the fingering for the left hand is a bit different. You'll be doing 1. Okay, the finger is still there. Second finger. Then for the next one, you're going to move to the third fret using your finger 3. Go to the fourth string, third fret. Try and lift up your finger, transfer. Alright, do this, okay, look at this. You can do this a little bit, it's a good exercise, alright. And then go back to the second fret, then the open string. Alright, now on bar 4. Okay, bar 4, what you do is that your fingers, second finger, will go back to the third string, second fret. First finger on the second string, first fret. And now the third finger is going to go to the fifth string, third fret. In order to reach there, make sure your hand is not twisted away. Bring it in a little bit, your wrist and your elbow, and you can tuck it there, the fifth string, third fret. Same thing now, the pattern, the thumb now plays the fifth string. Okay, the same pattern is for the first, the index, middle, and A finger. So you're going to go P, I, M, I, A, I, M, I. Got it? Okay, for the second half of bar 4, you're going to do this other chord shape. Okay, what is this chord shape? Let's go one by one, alright? Second finger is going to go to the fifth string, second fret. First finger is going to the second string, third fret. Third string, first fret. And your fourth finger is going to go to the second string, third fret. So you're going to have this shape here. Here, here, and here. Alright, third string, second string. You got it? Okay, now you're going to apply the pattern. This time, the same thing. Okay, the thumb on the P finger, same as the first half of bar 4. So you're going to go P, I, M, I, A, I, M, I. Got it? Okay, for bar 5 is exactly the same as bar 1. So let's go. So what you do is just move your fingers to that position. Finger 2 is on the third string, second fret. Finger 1 is on the second string, first fret. And the pattern. And then the same thing, thumb. Second fret, using the first finger. Take note of this fingering. Third finger. want to let the notes ring out. Okay, the charm of this song is that the notes ring out and bleed to each other. Alright? Okay, for bar 6 it's exactly the same as bar 2. The shape, you don't have to lift up your second finger, just put it there, third, and then the second string, third fret, the fourth finger, first finger. Take note of this fingering. Maybe uncomfortable at first, just turn your hand inwards, not away. Okay, the curve will allow the first string to ring freely. Pattern now is on the fourth string, starts on the fourth string. I and M and A same, so it'll be. Got it? Okay, now for bar 7, okay, you're going to be doing this shape. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to put your finger, okay, on the second string, first fret. Okay, third finger, finger 3 on the third string, second fret, and finger 2 on the fourth string, second fret. Okay, the pattern starts with the fourth string, so you're going to go. And for the second half of the bar, bar 7 again, instead of playing the fourth string, left hand is the same. You're going to put the thumb on the sixth string, and you're going to play the pattern. Got it? Keep your second finger there. So for bar 7 again, then the sixth string. Okay, for bar 8, what you're going to let go of the first finger, start on the fourth string. The pattern now starts on the fourth string. P, I, M, I, A, I, M, I. Correct? And what you're going to do is this, okay, for the second half of bar 8. Let go of your fingers, take your first finger and put it on the third string, first fret. And then you're going to play the pattern beginning on the sixth string. Okay, bar 8 sounds like that, alright? Notice, right, this song, right, has a very constant beat. Okay, the notes are played one after the other, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and so it's not difficult to count it, but I'll count this bar for you. Okay, it applies to all the bars as well, the rest of the song. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Alright? Okay, so for bar 9, okay, we're coming to the end of the song. Okay, this one, for this song, for every beat there's a different shape, so I'll go through each shape. Okay, let's look at bar 9 first. Okay, the first beat. So as you can tell, these shapes are all revisiting the shapes from the previous part of the song. Okay, the first one, in bar 9, you have the finger 2 on the third string, second fret, and then finger 1 on the second string, first fret. And then you do this, and then what you do this thing called a forward roll. Really easy. P, I, M, A. That's it. Alright, so for each chord you'll be doing P, I, M, A. The feel will be 1 and 2 and. Alright, so you'll be counting. For the first one, bar 9, first beat. For the next shape, what you're going to do is you're going to put finger 1, bring it down to the third string, first fret, fourth finger on the third fret, second string, third fret, play the sixth string. Alright, start from the sixth string, bring it forward, forward roll. Return back to the same shape in the first beat, thumb on the fifth string, roll forward. Okay, now you're going to do the same shape as beat 2, but you don't have to put the fourth finger there. So all you do is just put your first finger on the third string, first fret, and then roll forward. Alright, okay, for bar 10, same thing, this shape, roll forward. Okay, done the same way. It's the exact same thing as bar 9 for bar 10. First finger, so for the second beat you have the first finger here and the fourth finger on the second string, third fret. Roll forward. Beat 3, same thing, same as beat 1. And you end off on beat 4, one finger, third string, first fret, G sharp, thumb on the sixth string, and you end off with the fifth string open. That's it.